Today I will review no? Today I will make some reviews as my own cooking. And it's hard to tell what curry is that. Of course, as you see, it's like bean, pea, chicken, fry. And this is the soup. Yeah, some vegetable. Yeah, I would just name it because I'm working as a farmer, so farmer dish. And because as an Asian, I eat rice also. Let me try some. So let them out or let them out here, you know, I mean, no? Okay. I'm not sure where these are. The animal sound. First of all, I tried pea. It's not that spicy. You see some chili, but no, not at all. It's just an ingredient. I just some money when I do it. Wow, no. Power busy in never. Just on my work. Oh dear. Very to do. Color of brown boots in I don't know you know. As you see, doesn't change the color. It has to be green all time to be more tasty. Okay. So next, I would like to have I like it, but let's see the soup. Wow, it's sour and salty. Some chicken flavor together. So you see, I put the flowers, leaf, yeah, the lime inside. So here my tamiyadi or bamboo or a pelly or gongshi or monin pelly or gongshi, papio king leisure because this. Let me try this. That's really nice. I need to show you this. So inside they have more things, so it make me more delicious. You won't feel heavy because I put whole lemon inside, and which is not sour. It's help you control the heavy taste. So tamiyadi alone like nite da so do the ma wa lo myo anit le de pare ayan le e ma nei twa bu no e da ko pian thaind de thabo be shin le shin ma nei. So let me just finish this. This is for my breakfast, so I have to go to work. 5 minute times I need to go. So see you in the next video. 5 minutesဆိုရင်သွားတော့မှာဆိုတော့ဆက်စားလိုက်ပါအောင်။ဒါကျွန်တော်မနေ့စားပါနော်။တတ်တာပါ။ Bye. See you.